Yeah, I don't know what happened there, if I ran out of space or what. But at any rate, I want to do these two over. But one thing that I found out was that on this paper, even with these bright colors like this, I was able to pick those two up and get rid of them enough to be able to redo them. And that's what I'm going to do right now in this little palette down here. Okay, so I'm going to get my water from here, my pure water. I'm going to get a bunch of blue. I already have some left. Now this is watercolor. So you see this, it's dried in here, but that's fine. We're going to wet it up. And this is the difference between watercolor and acrylic. Oop, I think I accidentally mixed something in there. Doesn't matter. All right. So there's that. And oop, I need a wiping sheet. Here we go. Rinse, 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 wipe. This is a many times washed cloth here. There's no lint on it. Old pillowcases, the edges of them, not where you put your head. Old sheets, pillowcases, and underwear. Cotton. All right, so there's some purple already. These colors here have made all these other colors. So this is a nice green that was mixed just from blue and yellow, which is hard to do. Nice orange and a nice purple. So now let's see, shall we do red violet first? Yeah, let's do the red. So I'm going to wet this guy up here, and I wet it up a lot. I don't want any crumbs in here because they make odd marks. Okay, now I need a little more water, so I'm going to switch brushes to add the water. There we go, because I'm going to use this one to mix with the violet there. To make my red violet, which is going to go here, I put it there. I decided it went there because red comes first. All right, so here's a nice red. Also, when you want to paint a light color, you still mix up a bunch of water and color down in your well here, and then you use that. Oh boy, see there's a crumb caught. Put it up on the edge where it belongs. All right, so you still want to get this at full intensity and get a good mixture. You don't want to put just a little bit of water in and a little bit of color and then go with that. You need to make it full intensity first, and then you can water it down. All right, so here's your red. We're going to mix it with the violet. It still looks pretty violet to me. Okay, I'm going to squeeze as much out as I can. All right, good, good, good. Give it a rinse. And I'm going to add more red. Okay. So I added just a tiny bit of water there. Okay, here's hoping. And that's watery looking and a bit too violet. I think I am running out of space or something. So if it's not one thing, it's another. It's taken me forever to get out here to do this, and now that I'm out here to do this, I need more space. I'm getting impatient. Okay, this is going to be red violet. There we go. Still kind of a weak red, but there we go. And we're going to put it right here. So doing this, also involves brush skills. So we're testing it out, and we're also learning brush skills. And it's not the greatest, but it's an okay color. This looks bad. Brush skills bad there. I used too much paint. I kept trying to paint on it and paint on it. And it's about the water. So it's just fine for it to be